Mastering Financial Freedom, Lessons School Never Taught You. In 2003, renowned boxer and heavyweight champion Mike Tyson declared bankruptcy despite earning over $300 million throughout his career, leaving him with a staggering $30 million in debt. This situation raises a pivotal question about money. Why strive to accumulate wealth if the core issue lies in our ability to manage it effectively? The escalating challenge of debt. Currently, Americans face the highest credit card debt levels in history, indicating a missed opportunity for financial education. Debt remains an unseen burden, particularly affecting the most vulnerable populations in both the UK and the US. Reflect on your personal relationship with money. Does it seem to vanish as quickly as it arrives? Has it ever led you into risky financial decisions, such as get-rich-quick schemes or costly courses promising wealth? Reframing money as value. Money is traditionally seen as a medium for transactions, facilitating the exchange of goods. However, a more insightful perspective is viewing money as a representation of value. You exchange money for something because you perceive its value to match the cost. This understanding separates money from moral judgments. Money itself is neutral, it expands your choices and opportunities. Your decisions with money are what reflect your moral values. Balancing production and consumption. Money flows in and out of your life, often summarized by income and expenses, or production versus consumption. Money enters your life when you create value, typically through work, and leaves when you spend. An individual's net worth often reflects their balance between producing and consuming. Examine your financial habits. How much of the money you've earned is still with you or invested? Where do you see an imbalance between your production and consumption? Many people struggle with excessive consumption. Studies show that 78% of American workers live paycheck to paycheck, including those earning over $100,000 annually. Escaping the financial cycle, avoiding the rat race. The rat race is associated with living on the financial edge, constantly one paycheck away from financial distress. This situation is often worsened by unexpected life events like job loss or health issues. The first step to financial independence is understanding your spending habits, which involves tracking monthly expenses and evaluating your behavior as a consumer. Concepts from behavioral finance, such as the ostrich effect, describe the tendency to ignore financial realities, like avoiding bank statements after overspending. Overcoming this involves budgeting, living below your means, and maintaining an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of expenses. Empowering financial growth, enhancing production. While personal finance advice often emphasizes frugality, increasing your income is equally crucial. Reducing expenses provides immediate relief, but boosting production is essential for long-term financial growth. This could involve entrepreneurship, identifying market needs, and offering scalable solutions. Although not for everyone, recognizing your production capabilities is vital. Producing value on a larger scale leads to higher earnings. The internet offers vast opportunities to create and distribute value, whether through business, employment, or creative projects. Conclusion: harmonizing consumption and production. Understanding your role as both a consumer and producer is fundamental to financial success. By tracking your spending and managing it through budgeting, you gain control over your financial habits. Enhancing your ability to produce value, whether through a job or entrepreneurial efforts, can significantly increase your income and financial security. This approach has proven beneficial for many and can serve as a valuable strategy for anyone seeking to improve their financial well-being.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.